How to make VLC player play HEVC codec videos or H.265 codec videos play a little bit better on the Windows. So currently this video, as you can see, it is static. It is not doing anything, although the sig bar is advancing. I can click forward, it will show 1 or 2 frames, but then it's static again. Okay, so to see something in VLC player, let's do a modification. Come here to Tools, Preferences, down here select All, then come here to Video Codecs, double click on it, FFmpeg, and here on the right side skip frame. Instead of default, use non-key. So let's skip frame non-key and close it with the save button. Let's close it, and if I open the program once again, it's not fluent, but at least it is not static. I can see some frames. It is a little bit better. It's not one single frame all the time, but at least 1 frame per second. This is an older laptop, so I cannot expect too much from it. Okay, so that's it with VLC. By the way, if I right click on it and open it with this one, Media Player Classic Home Cinema, that's from the k-lite codec pack, and this is playing it even better. So VLC is not doing a great job, this one is doing it somewhat better. By the way, if you use VLC and apply that skip frame something, then in Task Manager the CPU usage is severely reduced. So it's consuming around 44%, and if I reset it back from Tools, Preferences, and Reset Preferences, okay, and now open it once again, then the video is skipping, I mean it's static, plus the CPU usage is around 100%. So make sure you go here to Tools, Preferences, All, Video Codecs, FFmpeg, and set this skip frame to non-key. Save it and stop it. Play it again. Let's just move it there. Click the play button. And the video, it is playing, plus the CPU usage is much lower, around half. Not 100%, but below 50%. Higher frame rate and lower CPU usage in VLC player. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.